Good afternoon, students. The next topic in the improvement of food is animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the scientific management of animal livestock, including their feeding, breeding, and disease control. Animal farming includes cattle, sheep, goat, poultry, and fish farming. Cattle farming. Cattle farming is done for two main purposes. They are for milk production and farm labor. Milk producing females are called as milch animals, and those used to farm labor are called as draught animals. Milk production depends on the duration of the lactation period. The period of milk production after birth of the calf, milk production can be increased by increasing the lactation period. Foreign breeds like Jersey and Brown Swiss have long lactation period, and local breeds like Red Sindhi, Sahiwal are resistant to diseases. They can be crossbreed to get animals with both the qualities. Cattle shelter should be clean and well ventilated with the sloping floors for easy cleaning. Cattle feed should include raw gauge containing mainly fiber and concentrates containing protein and other nutrients. Cattle diseases are caused by parasites, bacteria, and viruses. External parasites cause skin diseases. Internal parasites like worms affect the stomach and intestine, and flukes damage the liver. Vaccinations are given to protect from viral and bacterial disease. Poultry farming. Poultry farming is done for egg production and chicken meat. Improved poultry breeds are developed to produce layers for eggs and broilers for meat. Crossbreeding between Indian varieties like Asal and foreign varieties like Leghorn is done to develop new varieties. For food production of poultry birds, they are given proper nutrients and kept in hygienic conditions and proper temperature conditions. Broiler chickens are fed with a vitamin, protein, and fat rich feed for better growth. Poultry fowls are affected by diseases caused by virus, bacteria, fungi, and parasites. They are protected from diseases by proper sanitations, spraying disinfectants, and vaccinations. Fish production. Fish is a source of animal protein in our food. There are two ways of obtaining fish. They are from natural sources called as capture fishing and from fish farming called as culture fisheries. The water sources of fishes can be seawater or freshwater like rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. Marine fisheries. The popular marine fish varieties are pomfret, mackerel, tuna, sardines, etc. They are caught by fishing nets from boats. Some marine fishes are formed in seawater. These include prawns, mullets, pearl spots, mussels, oysters, etc. We get pearls from oysters. Inland fisheries. Culture fishery is done in fresh water and brackish water where seawater and fresh water mix together. Sometimes fresh and fish culture is done in combination with a paddy crop in the field. This is called as composite fish culture. The common fishes in the inland fish farms are rohu, katla, mrigal, grass crab, silver carp, common carp, etc. Beekeeping. Beekeeping is done to obtain honey and wax. Honey is used as a source of energy and also has a medicinal uses. Wax is used in medical preparations and for making polishes. The local varieties of bees used for honey production are the Indian bee, rock bee, and little bee. An Italian variety of bee is also being used for large scale production of honey. The bees collect nectar from the flowers and is converted into honey in the beehives. Bees are artificially grown in apiaries and the honey is extracted by the machine called as honey extractor. So this completes the chapter.